All right. Today we are going to be working on another system. We'll get to the workshop table right now, and then we'll open up the system. It's a pavilion system, and I know you have a lot of things to gain watching this. It's going to help. We are going to be engaging all of the necessary procedural steps to troubleshoot a dead system, because according to the client, it was told that it was dead, that it wasn't working at all. In fact, it came with the charger. We are going to be, he said the charger also is bad, and then we are going to be working on the two. We will test the charger first, then come on the system. So we'll check the two of them, and we know which one of them has the issue. Please come along with us. Right now we are back on the workshop table. We will be testing, like I said, two issues. We have the charger not functioning properly according to the client, and also the system not even working at all. So we will check which one has the issue. Here is the charger that it came with. It came with this entire charger, the cord, and the power pack itself. So let us check. Let us check. First thing first, what are we checking first? We'll be checking the continuity. We'll be doing a continuity test on the power cable first. Let's check. We'll be doing a continuity test. Continuity test on the power cable. Yeah, I think I hope. All right, good. So let's check if the power cable is continuous. Yes, on this track is continuous. On this part is also continuous. And ground, live, and neutral are good. All right, now let us check if it has some power. Let's check if it has some power. I'll get it plugged quickly, and then we'll confirm it has power. All right, it is plugged. Now let's check first. Let's check the AC volts. Check the screen. It's expected to have about 240 or 230. Okay, it's 230 volts, which is okay. Supplying power. Connect it to the charger. Does it have an output? Yeah, so we'll switch it to DC mode. So check the screen. No output. So we'll need to lose the charger. Get the charger loosened. All right, I can see that the socket for the power is already broken. So I think the client has already worked on it before. I can see that the charger is broken already. It has been accessed. Okay. Okay. All right. Now there's a problem. Can we see this? The cable for one of, I think, is a live. One is live, one is neutral, and the other one is the earth cable. So it's only the neutral that is available. Live is not connected. So there's no way this kind of system will work. So we need to get that fixed. We need to get that fixed. So look at the cable. See the cable. Where is my tweezer? Let me bring my tweezer to pick that cable out for us to see clearly. So if you see this cable. Here's the tweezer. Here's the cable. It's not connected to the terminal. So I want to believe that was what caused the system to get what was it called? That was what made the system get the battery became very flat. So we will probably, because the battery could not get charged. So as a result, the system will go off and will not be on. So we'll try and see if we can peel this mouth. for easy soldering. Let's peel it, peel it, peel it. So let me use my blade, sharp blade, very sharp blade, to peel off the shield covering the core of the cable. So, all right, I think it's exposed enough. It's exposed. So we'll now add some solder, some lead to it. And see, there's nothing in fixing systems. Just little issues, but there are some complicated issues, some videos that we have done, like shorted diodes, shorted capacitor, shorted MOSFETs, so a lot of other complicated issues that can come up in the system. All right, well, we have soldered that back. Let us test again and see if there is going to be an output. Let us test again and see. Trying to couple back the power, the charger. Now we'll test again. All right, I can feel some spark. All right, let's test the output. DC mode already on the multimeter. Check the screen. Now look at the screen. You can see 19.7, which is the volt we expect to see. And now we're going to be testing the system. First thing first, because you know, as a technical person working on systems like this, one could have wasted time opening the system and discover that the system has no problem. Now, can we see the amber light, that orange color LED? The LED is on, showing that the battery is charging now, which we couldn't get before. Now we are going to open the system right now, flip it open, and test and power it on. So that means nothing is wrong with the system. Now you can see the Wi-Fi indicator here. We expect the screen to come on to display. That is if nothing is wrong with the system. So otherwise we'll go ahead and open it also. Okay. Expect to see the screen come on. It's not displaying yet. Is there any sound? Yeah, the fan is spinning, but no display. No display. All right, so what we are going to do, we are going to lose the system, check some aspect on the board, and see if that's resolved the. So let's open the system and come back. Let's open it from behind. Because of time, there's not way too much time holding our viewers watching us opening the system and all of that. So we don't want to waste their time. So we'll come back when we are done opening it. All right. Said we are going to be opening the system. Now the system is opened. This is the RAM session on board. From the previous test I did, I noticed the fan was spinning. So what I want to do now is just to try and see if I can clean the terminals, the memory card, the RAM's terminal. It's possible there are some carbon, some debts that is affecting the display. These are very simple issues that one can just quickly engage in. And then also, let me look for a brush and brush the the ports, the slot for the RAM. There's another one. There are two of them. So we'll put the RAM one after the other. We'll put one and test. Put one and test. Put the power cable. I think the amber light should be on by now. Okay. All right, it's on. System is common. Let's power it on and put the second one and see if the two of them can work together. If the two of them will agree, if there will be no conflicts between the two. All right. Then if that comes on, that marks the end of this video. Let's see. All right, good. System is back to life, and I'm sure the client will be very, very happy because he's been on us. He has given it to us for almost 3 to 4 days now. We've not had time to fix it, but now we've been able to fix and every issue resolved. So what's the problem of this system? It's just what have we done? It's just the majorly the battery went flat because the power adapter got bad, and we fixed that in the course of this video. And also, having done that, we discovered the system was not coming on. We had to check the RAM session where we were able to, do some cleaning and all that, and eventually came on. And it's all about this particular video. It's very okay. It's working perfectly. I think the hard drive, because probably it wasn't properly shut down the previous time, and that's why it's doing this. So if you are new, if you're a new viewer, if you're one of the new viewers that we have gotten so far, please, we'd like for you to subscribe to our channel. Press the like button, like our videos. That's what facilitates the algorithm that defines or that informs the availability of our videos to people, the visibility of our videos to people, that makes our videos to become viral. So please, we'd like for you to help us like, comment, and share our videos so that others can as well learn like we have learned. I believe you wouldn't want to learn alone. Like I'm doing this, freely giving this out that I know. We learned these things by privilege, and then please like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.